Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare a linen canvas for a painting session so that the oil does not soak through completely and does not touch the linen canvas itself. We need to seal the linen canvas first with a few layers of animal glue. In my case it will be just gelatin. It's similar to rabbit skin glue. I'll apply multiple layers and then on top I'll put gesso, which is my own mixture. It has a bit of more chalk in it. That means it creates a more matte effect because it soaks more oil out. Okay, let's get started. Here are the things that I will use: a dish, a brush, gelatin, warm water, and I start with gelatin. Add gelatin to liquid, not the other way around. Hot water. Sprinkling the gelatin into the hot water. So if they would stick together, that would be the ideal, but they're not there yet. One can put it into a jar, and that jar one can put into a pan with water. So you give it a warm bath and then it dissolves. I'm now hoping to dissolve it in that way. It didn't reach the level I wanted. Okay, I might need to add more. So I dissolve it now in a warm bath. While this is getting into the ready condition, meaning I need to wait a bit until it gets sticky enough, I use now this blade to clean the surface of the canvas from any impurities. I bend it like this and then I use it. Be careful not to cut through. Sort of shaving the canvas. That's what it is. Clean it up. Let's check it out. That feels good. So it must be very soapy. When it's about to dry, it sticks together. You see, there is resistance before they separate. That's how it should be. Perfect. What I'm gonna do now is I'll let it dry. I'll use a hairdryer and then I apply a second coating. Let's apply a second one. Let's dry it. Oh, and don't forget to put your brush into warm water. Let's apply the third coating. Last. Dry. What you also could use is PVA glue plus water. You can use this as a sealing as well. And actually I will apply this. Why not? By the way, this PVA coating is created with 50% wood glue and 50% water. Why are you doing it yourself and not buying a prepared canvas? Well, you don't know what they are mixing into the prepared canvas coatings. Because the manufacturer is producing in mass, they might have some profit pressure on them. Hence, there is a need for reducing the costs. Where they do it, how they do it, we don't know. I'd like to have certainty that the coating is prepared also at a high standard. I'd like to be aware of the quality of the stages that went into the production of the painting. That means the quality of the linen, the coating put on top of them, which type of paintings, and mediums, so that I can guarantee a high quality standard. I need more gesso. Preparing some gesso. Equal parts of chalk and wood glue. Okay, that's chalk. That's glue, white wood glue. Pour it inside. Mix it up. I can add a bit of water, but it's easier mixed up. acrylic paint. It's a little bit cloggy, but just mix it more and then it should be well. After whipping it for 10 minutes, I got it to a nice consistency. You see, that's like pancake batter. Let's apply it. Put it on with a spatula. Starts to dry out, so I need to be a bit faster. You know, I want to have it on the sides as well, so I use my brush. Fill in all the gaps. I use now the brush. So the brush does not dry out too quickly. All right.